Hi guys! Today we are learning how to fix queued emails not sending on Gmail. First, unlock your phone and open the Gmail app. Once the app opens, make sure you're signed in to the Gmail account where your emails are stuck in the queue. Now, tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the menu. Scroll down and tap Settings to access your Gmail app preferences. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find Data Usage under the General section. Open it to manage how Gmail syncs your emails. Tap Sync Settings, then change Days of Emails to Sync to 1. After making the change, tap Done in the top right corner to save your settings. Now close the Gmail app and open your iPhone settings. Tap General, then iPhone Storage to manage the apps installed on your device. Scroll down until you find Gmail, then tap on it. This will show options to manage or remove the app from your iPhone. Tap Delete App to remove Gmail, then reinstall it from the App Store and sign back into your account. Reinstalling the app can resolve app-related issues that may cause emails to remain queued. Before deleting the app, make sure you know your Gmail login credentials. And that's how you can fix queued emails not sending on Gmail using a few simple troubleshooting steps. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment below for more simple tutorials.